Surprise! See, when you live alone, you have to surprise yourself on your birthday. Forget it. Now, today isn't actually my birthday. My birthday is actually 2 days from today. But I celebrate this weekend, I thought, by making some of my very favorite things. One of which is one of my top 3 favorite foods, lasagna. Now, I made bacon cheeseburger lasagna before, but I've never made a video for it. So, I thought I'd do that. And for dessert, I have some leftover strawberry shortcake. Wait, that's not what I have. Strawberry milkshake, special cheesecake, in the freezer. Hear that, Jenny? Got some left. See, Jenny is one of my close friends, and she likes. Never mind. Come on. Why do I keep forgetting I'm already in the kitchen? Well, since you've already seen me make lasagna before, you're already familiar with how I make the dough, and the sauce, and the cheese, and the bacon. So we'll just... What? I've shown you how to make bacon before. Remember that maple bacon special cheesecake? And... Oh yeah, that was candy bacon, wasn't it? Well, we're gonna need 6 strips of bacon for this. And we're going to throw it into our handy dandy 350 degree oven for 15 minutes. And now we'll... What? I gave away a cheesecake part. No I didn't, because in that cheesecake one, I didn't say how long I cooked it or if it was at a different temperature. People really don't do freeze frames anymore, do they? Anyway, we're going to need 1.5 pounds of ground beef for this. I like to separate them into 3 half-pound patties, seasoned on both sides with, you know that already. Anyway, they are going to cook for 4 minutes and 50 seconds on the first side and 4 minutes and 20 seconds on the second side. And, what? Where's the third patty? There wasn't enough room to put all 3 of them in there at first. I mean, there is now, but if I put the third patty in now, the cook on, frankly, all 3 patties will be inconsistent. I mean, if you want, you can take a large cast iron pan to cook all 3 patties, but I just like to use a skillet for burgers. Medium-high heat, of course. Now, our ground beef is all diced up. Crumble in the bacon we just cooked, and the remaining ingredients will be the same: egg yolks and seasonings. Okay, now we can really get to business, starting with the sauce. Pasta, more sauce, ricotta, bacon cheeseburger mixture, and top it off with some marble jack. What? Okay, look. I know I do normally use mozzarella for my lasagnas, but you know I use marble jack in my chicken breakfast lasagna, and that worked out fine. What? I know this isn't a breakfast lasagna, but I wanted to make this similar to a actual bacon cheeseburger because marble jack is what I usually use when I'm making cheeseburger. No, wait. Actually, I usually use farmer's cheese for that. And, well, you know, what? I just think to myself, look, the point is, you can still use mozzarella, you can still use farmer's cheese, but I just like the way that marble jack used for the bacon cheeseburger lasagnas. Okay, are we good now? Alright, now, back to business. You know the rest of the routine by now. Made a second layer of everything and then finished it all off with sauce, cheese, and parsley. Throw that into the 350 degree oven, and 35 minutes later, it will look like this. And as you can see, even though I have marble jack on top, it still looks like school lunch. Now you know I'm about to dive into this. And if you cook lasagna just right, you don't even need a knife. Come back. Huh? Oh, I don't want to do any more of the video. I just want to finish eating this out and okay. But that tells you how delicious this is, and I'm gonna eat another piece right now. I have no words. This is why lasagna is one of my top 3 favorite foods. The other ones are 2 things I actually don't know how to make yet, which are yogurt and, yeah, I said yogurt. Yogurt and gyros. Huh? Why don't I know how to make gyros? Well, lamb is not cheap and I kinda am. And that is going to do it. And you know by now where to find the recipe. Thanks for being with me to help celebrate my birthday. I'll see you again. Huh? What's all this? Well, that's the lasagna we just made. That's some of the strawberry milkshake cheesecake right here. That is. And these are deviled eggs. And you know what? I want to drop this. Hold on a second. These are deviled eggs. The reason why I have them in a bowl like this is because deviled eggs don't really sit up very well unless you have them in a special kind of tray. I do have one, but it's for a whole bunch of them. I don't want to waste them on just 4 deviled eggs. How do I make them? Well, it's similar to my egg salad video. You boil the eggs the same way, and you know what? Better yet, I'll include a recipe for that too. As I was saying, thanks for helping me celebrate my birthday. I'll see you again soon, and you know what? I have an idea. Hold on a second. Surprise! My barber finally opened and my doctor gave me clearance to go. Unfortunately, they couldn't do anything with the beard because due to some restrictions that are still in place, we had to keep our masks on in the shop at all times. But this is better than nothing. Now, this beard combined to all the hair I used to have on top, all the stuff I had before, my friend Deanna said I kind of look like a mountain man. Wait a minute. Before, Deanna said I look like a mountain man, but now I look closer to the way I used to look, unlike before when I'm getting tired. Anyway. Okay, that's enough of that. See you guys later.